Hello people, welcome back to the Pepper Factory Simply Healthy. Today's topic is how to disinfect the vegetables that we're getting from the market. Now if you see, there are a lot of seasonal fruits and vegetables which were available only in a particular season in the earlier days. But then now almost all the fruits and vegetables are being available around the year. Say for instance, guava was available only during the rainy seasons initially, but then now guava is available all throughout. Similarly, you get mangoes even before the period starts, all ripe, nice ripe mangoes before the period starts. So this shows that there are a lot of chemicals that are getting added in order to ripen the fruits. So in case they are transporting the fruits and vegetables from a different place to our place, then obviously that also there's a chemical to preserve it, and there's also chemical so that it doesn't get rotten or spoiled very easily. All these things are present, so you have a lot of chemicals in it. That is point number one. Then the current ongoing corona issues are also a problem, wherein even though we go and buy vegetables from a nearby supermarket, many people would have touched those vegetables. So there could be issues of somebody touching it. You don't know if they have the virus in them, or just any sort of germs in the in the fruits or the vegetables. So all these issues are present, and before we consume those, we have to take care to disinfect these vegetables and fruits, so that we are not consuming any sort of chemicals which is not good, or which is actually very harmful for the body. Okay, so even the organic ones, every vegetable or fruit that we get in the market has some sort of a chemical in it. Even the organic ones use the harmless ones, which are actually better comparatively to the the other hybrid varieties. So it's always important to disinfect the vegetables and fruits. Not just, we all have this habit of washing the fruits before fruits and vegetables. Actually, we all have this habit of washing the fruits and vegetables before using them. However, just washing is not enough when it comes to disinfecting, in order to keep these chemicals at bay. So for that, we need to follow certain steps which are very simple. Maybe if you will have to do it every time you buy vegetables or fruits, because it is our family's health and we are responsible for it. In turn, you are also the ones who are looking into it. So let's get into the video. Let me show you what you can do about it. Yeah, so let's get into the video.
Take a big basin and fill half of it with water, and then we'll be adding about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to it and a little bit of rock salt. You can also add baking soda, in order to a pinch of baking soda to remove the chemicals, but now I'm not adding it. I've spread out the vegetables that I've got for this week. So all you have to do is now just dip all these vegetables into the turmeric and rock salt water. Now you can add even onions, curry leaves, chilies, or also coconuts if you want, and let it stay for about 20 minutes. Minimum 20 minutes it has to stay inside. So as we all know, turmeric and rock salt are very powerful disinfectants, and they are extremely useful in removing any sort of germs from the vegetables and fruits. So you can also add baking soda in case you want. I've soaked all the vegetables in small vessels so that the process gets over at once. In case you have a bigger vessel or a bigger bucket that you can use, then you can definitely soak all the vegetables in one bucket, or you can also do it in batches, like soak once, take it out, and then soak the next set and take it. After 20 minutes, wash all the vegetables in running tap water. Once you wash all the vegetables, you can spread it out on a cotton cloth or a thick set of newspaper so that it gets dried up. Now I showed washing every single vegetable separately. You can also use a big perforated vessel in order to wash it at once. The vegetables will dry up in about 5 minutes and you can store them in your refrigerator. Onions alone, you can just leave it overnight so that all the water gets drained completely.
If you like this video, do share it with your friends and relatives so that they also get to know about how to disinfect the vegetables and fruits. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe to the channel for more informative and interesting videos. You can go through all the contents in the channel's videos page. Also click on the bell icon in order to get instant notifications when I post any new video. Take care, stay safe, stay at home. Health is more important than anything else. Bye.